Yes, the number of students registered for the placements are 111, out of which 101 students got placed. And the highest CTC offered is 35.75 lakh per annum, and the average CTC offered is 23.72 lakh per annum. Hello everyone, welcome to OHM Institute. I am Surendra Reddy, faculty for electrical machines at OHM Institute, Hyderabad. Recently, GATE 2022 examination results are being declared, and I congratulate each and every student who qualified in this examination. As results are declared, your first battle is over. Now what to do next? We know that there are multiple opportunities available for students using their GATE score. And one of the most attractive option is an employment from PSU company. Yes, the students who got better scores are going and selecting PSU jobs because there are various advantages. We know PSU companies are the highest tax paid companies to government of India. They are very large companies, and it's a secured job. A job in PSU is definitely a secured job. Work life balance is very good, and pay packages are way better than number of IT companies. Usually the pay package is around 18 lakhs to 22 lakhs per annum. Another attractive thing about PSU job is health benefits. Health benefits for you as well as your family members. Unlimited health benefits are available at PSUs. And another important thing is you are mainly working in your core domain. You are not working in some other domains. Okay, you are working in your basic core domain. These are various attractive points because of which students are selecting PSU jobs. But apart from PSU jobs, what are the other opportunities available for students? Yes, definitely it's a higher education, that is master's degree in various top colleges of India like IISc Bangalore, various IITs, NITs like that. But even though you opt for a master's degree in IITs, but the end of your degree, everybody requires a job, right? 90% of MTech students are looking for job at the end of their master's graduation. Only 10% of MTech students will have some better goals, like they wanted to go for PhD at IITs, or some of the students may go for PhDs in foreign universities as well. But 90% of MTech students are looking for jobs after their master's degree. So in this regard, this video will definitely help you. This video is all about MTech in electrical engineering specializations. That means the students who have appeared in GATE electrical engineering paper. So I'll be discussing about what are the different specializations available, and the most important aspect is what are the placement statistics, the real placement statistics. So I collected the information from all the top IITs and IISc Bangalore, also from the placement department. 100% genuine information. Okay, let's get on with it, and let's first understand what is the summary of this session. First, I'll be discussing about what are the various specializations available in top IITs and IISc Bangalore for students who have written GATE electrical engineering paper. This video will not be helpful for students from mechanical engineering or civil engineering or other branches. This video is exclusively for students who have appeared in GATE EE paper. So we will see what are the various specializations available. And the next thing is about placement statistics, academic year 2020-21. That is the last academic year. We don't have a current academic year statistics because the placements are still going on. Very few IITs have submitted their current academic year placement statistics, but most of the IITs denied to submit their report because the placements are still going on. So I'll be sharing with you the details of academic year 2020-21 exclusively MTech electrical engineering. It's not only important to know the statistics, it's also important what is the highest CTC offered for MTech electrical engineering students, and also what is the average CTC received by MTech electrical engineering students. Because we know that only 20 to 25% of the department students will land up in highest CTC, but majority of the students will land up in this average CTC bracket. Okay, and then I'll also share you, it's not only important to understand what is the packages received by students, it's also important in which type of companies you are working with. So I also gathered the information of the companies recruiting MTech electrical engineering students. So let's get on with it. Yes, so first we will be discussing about one of the prestigious institute that we have in our country, that is IISc Bangalore. Okay, so let's understand what are the specializations available at IISc Bangalore. Yes, IISc Bangalore is the institute which offers the highest number of specializations for electrical engineering students. Let's see. Yes, now see that I have listed out all the specializations where GATE EE paper score is valid. The first one is artificial intelligence. Here electrical engineering, computer science and ECE students will compete. Then computational and data processing, and you can see almost all GATE papers are eligible. Then we have electronics and communication engineering where EE and ECE paper scores are valid. And electronic system engineering where electrical, ECE, instrumentation and computer science students will also compete for this. Then we have electrical engineering where only electrical paper is valid. Electronic product design engineering, and here ECE, electrical, instrumentation and even mechanical branch paper is also valid. Okay, it's an interdisciplinary branch. And then we have instrumentation engineering where electrical, instrumentation and ECE paper scores are valid. And microelectronics and VLSI where electrical, ECE, computer science and instrumentation paper scores are valid. Then we have a nanoscience and engineering, almost all GATE papers are valid. And robotics and autonomous systems engineering, you can see almost all GATE papers, top GATE papers are valid. And then signal processing is a last specialization where electrical engineering and ECE paper scores are valid. So you can see overall how many specializations are available at IISc Bangalore for electrical engineering. Yes, almost 10 more than 10 specializations are available. Now the next important aspect is what are the placement statistics at IISc Bangalore. And I have with me about the placement statistics from Department of Electrical Engineering only. Okay, Department of Electrical Engineering. Okay, now let's see that. If you look at academic year 2020-21 at IISc Bangalore, total 18 students have registered for the placements and all 18 students got placed, 100% placement. And the highest CTC offered is 26.5 lakh per annum. And the average CTC offered is 22.4 lakhs per annum. That is the salary range. Highest 26.5 and average package is 22.4. And we don't have the placement statistics data for current academic year because the placements are still going on. Okay, this is about MTech electrical engineering at IISc Bangalore and the placement statistics. It's not only important to know the packages, and also I told you on which companies you are going to be working with. Okay, and I have that data as well. Yes, you can see the list of companies recruiting electrical engineering students MTech. Texas Instruments, Max Linear, Analog Devices, Micron, Intel, Bajaj Auto, Hind Rectifier and Tata Advanced Systems. So almost all companies are very good core companies. Okay, right. This is about the data of IISc Bangalore. Now next, let me share with you another top engineering college in India, that is IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is known for its placement history. Okay, IIT Bombay. Let's see what are the specializations that electrical engineering students can look for. Okay, yes. Now see that communication and signal processing where EE, CS and EC paper score is valid. Control and computing, EE, CS, EC and instrumentation paper scores are valid. Power electronics and power systems, again electrical, EC and instrumentation scores are valid. Electronic systems, you can see almost all top papers are valid. And integrated circuits and systems where CS, EC, EE and instrumentation scores are valid. And then solid state devices, it's a new specialization introduced in IIT Bombay. Almost all GATE papers are valid including electrical engineering. Okay. Yes, these are the specializations where electrical engineering students can appear for. And there are some other specializations also like aerospace engineering, energy systems engineering, okay, but they don't have attractive placements. So that's why I have selected specializations where placement prospects are going to be really good. Okay, there are other specializations also, please mind that. Okay, you can visit official website of IIT Bombay to know more specializations which are eligible for GATE electrical engineering paper. Okay, right. Now the interesting thing is the previous year academic year placement statistics of IIT Bombay, and this is exclusively for MTech electrical engineering department. Yes, the number of students registered for the placements are 111, out of which 101 students got placed, and the highest CTC offered is 35.75 lakh per annum, and the average CTC offered is 23.72 lakh per annum. This is the last academic year placement statistics, and the current academic year placement statistics are not available because placements are still going on. Okay, it's 100% genuine data, and we got directly from the placement department of IIT Bombay. And IIT Bombay denied to share the companies list because they are maintaining confidentiality about list of companies recruiting students from IIT Bombay. But we know that IIT Bombay is known for placements, and you can understand all top class companies will definitely visit this institute. Okay, so they denied to provide the data. What are the companies recruiting MTech electrical engineering students? Okay, right. Now, let me talk about IIT Kanpur. It's another big engineering institute that we have. Okay, MTech electrical engineering, but we have very less specializations at IIT Kanpur. Only two specializations are eligible for GATE electrical engineering paper. One is power engineering, where only electrical engineering paper score is valid. Another one is control and automation engineering, where electrical, ECE and instrumentation scores are valid. Only two specializations. Now let's understand the placement statistics at IIT Kanpur in the last academic year 2021. Now you can see total, this is from MTech electrical engineering department, don't forget that. Yes. So total 93 students have registered for the placements, out of which 65 students got placed. And the highest CTC offered is a confidential information. They are not providing the information because they have a rule, okay, not to share the highest CTC. But we have the information about average package at IIT Kanpur, that is 21.54 lakh per annum for MTech electrical engineering students. Okay, and the placements for the current academic year are still going on, so we may get that information after 3 or 4 months. Okay, right. That is about the placement statistics for MTech electrical engineering students at IIT Kanpur. Okay, and also let me share you the list of companies which are recruiting electrical engineering students, MTech electrical engineering students from IIT Kanpur. So Eaton Technologies, Intel, L&T, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Qualcomm, Samsung Semiconductor India Research Company, TCS R&D. Okay, these are the list of companies, okay, at IIT Kanpur. Okay, right. Now let's move to the next institute, that is IIT Delhi. Okay, yes, IIT Delhi is also known for its placements history. Okay, now let's see what are the specializations available at IIT Delhi for GATE EE paper. Yes, more specializations are available compared to Kanpur. Yes, computer technology, it's actually in the computer science department. You can see IT, CS, EC, EE electrical, GATE paper scores are valid. And communication engineering, where electrical and EC scores are valid. Control and automation, where electrical, EC and instrumentation scores are valid. Integrated electronics and circuits, you can see electrical, ECE, instrumentation and even physics paper score is also valid. Power electronics, electrical machines and drives, where only electrical engineering score is valid. Next, power systems is another specialization where only electrical engineering score is valid. And then VLSA tool design and technology, this is not under electrical engineering department, but this is having highest demand, okay, where electrical, ECE, instrumentation and computer science paper scores are valid. Okay, yes, this is about the list of specializations eligible for GATE EE paper. Okay, right. Now let's see what are the placement statistics of the last academic year at IIT Delhi. Okay, yes, 2021 MTech electrical engineering. Sorry, I forgot to edit. This is actually IIT Delhi. Okay, Right. So total students registered are 79. Out of 79, 59 students got placed at IIT Delhi. And the highest CTC offered, once again, it's a confidential information. They are not providing the highest CTC based on their internal rule. But we have the information about the average package received by MTech electrical engineering students, that is 23.04 lakh per annum. That is the average package. And the placements for current academic year are still going on. Okay. Yes. Now let's see the list of companies recruiting MTech electrical engineering students from IIT Delhi. Yes, you can see almost all companies are top class core companies. Okay, we have PwC, Mahindra and Mahindra, Lumency, Samsung, TCS R&D, Cadence, Condiant, Qualcomm. Okay, Bell Laboratories. It's a PSU actually. Okay, Silicon Labs, Intel. Okay, OnePlus India, HFCL, Samsung R&D, Signal Chip Innovation, Texas Instruments, TVS Motors, Lam Research, John Deere, Micron Technology, MathWorks, Siemens Gamesa, Renewable Energy Limited, Intel Software, Citrix R&D. Okay, yes, again Infosys R&D, Domino Software India Private Limited, Microsoft. Okay, and HCL Technologies, Bajaj Auto. Okay, like that. So you can see it's a long list. Okay, more companies will visit IIT Delhi. That's why the placements prospects are really attractive. Okay, right. This is the information about IIT Delhi. Now let me talk about IIT Guwahati. Okay, it's another institution where MTech electrical engineering students are finding good number of placements. Okay, so let's first understand what are the specializations available. Okay, yeah. So you can see power engineering is the first one where only electrical paper score is valid, and then signal processing and machine learning where electrical ECE and instrumentation scores are valid. System control and automation, electrical, ECE and instrumentation papers are valid. Data science, it's actually under computer science department, but where almost all gate paper scores are valid, okay, except mechanical, civil and all. Okay. And robotics and artificial intelligence, it is a new branch. From this year onwards, they are adding, okay, as a specialization where electrical, ECE, instrumentation, CS, mechanical, production, all paper scores are valid. Okay. It's artificial intelligence and robotics. Okay. Right. Now let's look at the placement statistics at IIT Guwahati, the last academic year 2021, MTech Electrical Engineering. So total 75 students have been registered for the placements. Out of them, 54 students got placed. Okay, and the highest package received is 35.98 lakhs per annum, and average package is 15.9 lakhs per annum. This is MTech electrical engineering. Okay, and we also have the data of the current academic year because current academic year placements are finished at IIT Guwahati. Therefore, they have provided the information. Let me show you 21-22 placement statistics. That is the current academic year. In the current academic year, overall 68 students have been registered from MTech electrical engineering. Out of them, 53 students got placed, and the highest package received is 39.96 lakhs per annum, and the average package is 19.26 lakhs per annum. This is the current academic year placement statistics from IIT Guwahati for MTech electrical engineering department. Okay, and also let me show you the list of companies visiting IIT Guwahati to recruit MTech electrical engineering students. So Cisco, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, actually it's Intel, I forgot it, yes. Legato Healthcare, HCL, TCS, Mahindra and Mahindra, TVS R&D, InnoMinds, Mercedes-Benz, Enphase, Tata Steel, etc. Okay, there are more companies, but they have provided these are the top companies. Okay, from IIT Guwahati, right? Okay, we have few more. Okay, KLO, Tencor, Qualcomm. I think the list is getting repeated. Okay, right. Yes, Bajaj Auto, AMD, Mercedes-Benz, etc. Fine. That is about IIT Guwahati. Now let me share you the data of IIT Roorkee. So we will first see what are the specializations available at IIT Roorkee. Yes, these are the specializations. First one, electric drives and power electronics, where only electrical engineering paper score is valid. Then we have instrumentation and signal processing, where only electrical engineering score is valid. Power system engineering, electrical engineering score. systems and control, electrical, ECE and instrumentation scores. Solid state electronic materials, this is under the Department of Physics actually, where electrical, ECE, physics and metallurgy paper is valid. And then photonics, this is also under the Department of Physics, where electrical, ECE, physics, MT and instrumentation paper scores are valid. Okay. And then we have few more specializations like nanotechnology. It's a special department where almost all top gate paper scores are valid. And artificial intelligence, it's a newly added branch. 2 years back they have added this branch. And any gate paper, okay, any gate paper score is valid. And then data science, it's another specialization. Again, any gate score is valid. Okay, right. There are various other specializations also like aerospace engineering, energy science engineering, materials management engineering, but they don't find good placements. That's why I have shown you the departments and specializations where you will find good placement opportunities. Okay, fine. Now let me share you the last academic year placement data at IIT Roorkee. So overall 51 students got registered for the placements, out of which 34 students got placed. And they are not revealing the highest package received. It's again a confidential information. But we have the data about average package received by MTech electrical engineering students, that is 15 lakhs per annum. Okay. And the current academic year placements are still going on and we don't have any data about the current academic year. This is last academic year. Okay. Fine. Now these are the list of companies. Again, almost all same type of companies are recruiting every IIT, and these are top core companies I can say. Okay, Eaton Technologies, Cisco, some of the companies are offering even on-site opportunities also, like foreign offers as well apart from India. Yes, we have also the companies visited in the current academic year at IIT Roorkee. We don't have information about how many students got placed, but they have provided companies that have visited so far in the current academic year. Okay, you can see almost all the same companies have been visiting every year. Okay, you can see Havels India, Hendrick Fire, okay, John Deere, like that. Okay, Intel, Samsung, Solar Energy Corporation of India. It's again a public sector company actually. Okay, L&T, Synopsys, Texas Instruments, Ola Mobility, okay, TVS Motor Company, like that. Okay, that is about the data, placement statistics data for MTech electrical engineering students at IIT Roorkee. Now let me show you the data of IIT Kharagpur, okay, placement data, and let's first understand what are the specializations available, okay, for gate EE paper score. Yes, we have embedded controls and software where electrical, ECE, computer science and instrumentation papers are eligible. Control system engineering where electrical and ECE paper scores are eligible. Instrumentation and signal processing, electrical, ECE and instrumentation scores are eligible. Machine drives and power electronics where electrical paper score is only valid. Power and energy systems where only electrical paper score is valid. And then industrial engineering and management, almost all gate paper scores are valid. And then computer science and data processing where ECE, electrical, physics and statistics scores are valid. Okay. Alright, now let us look at the placement statistics at IIT Kharagpur in the last academic year, that is 2021, MTech electrical engineering. And overall 54 students got registered for the placements. Out of them 34 students got the offers. Okay, and the highest CTC offered is 25 lakhs per annum and the average CTC was 13.3 lakhs per annum. And the current academic year placements are still going on, so we may get the data only after 3 or 4 months. Okay, currently not available. Okay, now let's see what are the companies recruiting the students from IIT Kharagpur, MTech electrical engineering. Okay, you can see Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Airbus, Bajaj Auto, Texas Instruments, Honeywell, Rakuten Mobile, Ola, Ola Mobility, we will say simply, Enphase Energy, Intel. Good companies are there. Okay, Micron, Eaton Technologies, Xilinx India, TVS Motor, John Deere, etc. Okay, these are the companies recruiting electrical engineering MTech students from IIT Kharagpur. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next one, IIT Madras. It's another prestigious institute in India. Let's understand the specializations. Yes, we have almost 5 specializations at IIT Madras for gate electrical paper. So first one is power systems and power electronics where only electrical paper score is valid. Next, electronic system design and instrumentation, where ECE, electrical and instrumentation paper scores are valid. And RF and photonics, where physics, ECE, electrical instrumentation scores are valid. Then we have integrated circuits and systems, where ECE, electrical and instrumentation scores are valid. Control and optimization, where electrical, ECE and instrumentation scores are valid. These are the specializations. Like microelectronics and VLSI, other specializations are limited only for ECE paper. Okay, yes, these are the specializations for GATE electrical paper. And we will also see the placement statistics at IIT Madras the last academic year. And overall, 58 students from electrical engineering department got registered for the placements. Out of them, 40 students got placed. And the highest package offered is 45 lakhs per annum. And the average package is 18.43 lakhs per annum. That is the average package at IIT Madras the last academic year. And the current academic year placements are still going on. We don't have any data. Definitely, you will, if you understand the past 10 years of placement statistics, every year there was an improvement. Okay, you don't find the placements go down. It always be on the rise. Okay, this is about IIT Madras, and we will also see the list of companies. Okay. Yes, IIT Madras is one of the institute attracting very good companies after IIT Bombay. So AMD India, Cisco, Enphase, Future Technologies, Mahindra & Mahindra, NXP Semiconductors, ON Semiconductors, Qualcomm, Samsung, Silicon Labs, Tata Advanced Systems, Tejas Networks, TVS Motor Company Limited, Xilinx India Technology Services Private Limited. These are the companies recruiting MTech electrical engineering students from IIT Madras. Okay. Yes, these are all the old IITs. Whatever I have shown so far, including IISc Bangalore, these are all old IITs. But from new IITs, we have some of the institutions offering very good placements. Okay, right. The next one in my list is IIT BHU, Varanasi. It's one of the oldest engineering college, got the IIT status just 10 years back. And let's see what are the specializations available. Yes, there are 4 specializations for electrical engineering students. Only electrical paper is valid. Power systems, electrical machines and drives, control systems, and power electronics. Okay, 4 specializations. And we will see the placement statistics, the last academic year placement statistics at IIT BHU. A total 39 students have been registered for the placements. Out of them, 15 students got placed. Okay, therefore, the percentage placement is less than 50%. But the packages are very attractive. You can see the highest package was 40.86 lakhs per annum. And the average CTC was 15.37 lakhs per annum. Okay, this is MTech electrical engineering, the last academic year data. And the current academic year data is not available so far. We may get after 3 or 4 months. Okay. Now see the list of companies. Again, almost same companies visiting other IITs are being visiting this institution as well. So Eaton Technologies, Hero Motor Corporation, Impact Guru. I think it's an academic institution actually. L&T, Tiger Analytics, TCS, Ola, L&T, Infotech, L&T Infrastructure, ICICI Securities, Eaton Technologies. Okay, Bank of America, Bajaj Auto. There are some software companies are also involved here. Okay. Yes, those are the companies visiting IIT BHU, where MTech electrical engineering students are getting placed. All right. Now, the last institution I am going to show you, IIT Hyderabad. It's one of the new IIT, but placements are really attractive as far as MTech electrical engineering is considered. Okay, I'm not considering other IITs like Bhubaneswar, okay, Tirupati, and other IITs we have, because they have poor placement statistics. That's why I'm not including in my list. Okay, fine. Coming to IIT Hyderabad, yes, we have 4 specializations. Okay, that is GATE electrical paper. So first one, microelectronics and VLSI, where electrical, ECE and physics paper scores are valid. Then we have power electronics and power systems, where only electrical paper score is valid. Systems and control, where electrical, ECE and instrumentation scores are valid. And then artificial intelligence, it's actually under the Department of Computer Science, and almost all CS, ECE, electrical, okay, mathematics, statistics scores are valid. Okay, artificial intelligence. Now, if you look at the placement statistics, the last academic year placement statistics at IIT Hyderabad, total 35 students have been registered from MTech electrical engineering department. Out of them, 22 students got placed. Okay. And the highest CTC offered is 52.45 lakhs per annum. This is the highest package received by MTech electrical engineering students from various IITs. Okay, highest package. And the average package is 24.9 lakhs per annum for electrical engineering MTech students. Okay, these are the placement statistics at IIT Hyderabad. And we will also see the list of companies, and we have, yes, I forgot to share with you the current academic year placement statistics also shared by the placement department, but the placements are still going on. That's why they did not give information about how many students are available, how many got selected. That will be possible only after 3-4 months. But so far, highest package offered is 53 lakh per annum and average package is 24.34 lakhs per annum. This is the current academic year highest and average packages, and placements are still going on. Okay, for another 2-3 months I think the placements will continue. Okay, that's it. These are the institutions where you will find good placements for MTech electrical engineering students. And I forgot to share with you the list of companies recruiting from IIT Hyderabad MTech electrical engineering. Yes, almost the same companies: Samsung, Qualcomm, Intel, AMD, Micron, Bajaj Auto, NTT, AT, L&T, Bharti Airtel. Okay, like that. Okay, you can see Yokogawa. This is a foreign offer actually. Okay, TCS R&D, Eaton Technologies, Mercedes-Benz, Silicon Labs, Texas Instruments, MediaTek, Accenture, SNC, MathWorks. Okay, right. That's all. So this is the overall data I'm presenting you. Because why I have selected only these institutes means because these are the top engineering colleges in India offering better placements as far as IITs and IIScs are concerned. I will share with you another data that is considering all top NITs also, what are the colleges offering better placements for MTech electrical engineering, that I will share with you in a separate video. Okay, so I am not sharing any details regarding what is the cutoff, and those are all open source data you will find anywhere. That will just waste your time. Okay, this is the data you will not find in as an open source. This is confidential data that we got from placement department by personally visiting the institutions. Okay, by requesting them, which will be useful for the students. Okay, and 100% genuine data. There is no modification we have done. Okay, 100% genuine data. The last academic year placement data. Thank you so much. In another video, in very soon, I'll share you the data of all NITs, top NITs together. Okay, thank you.